Pear Assessment is a great tool for not only district assessments and summative assessments, but also real-time feedback during formative assessments. Plugged right into presentations while teaching, teachers can pre-create various question types, over 50 to choose from, to foster engagement and inclusivity during their lessons. While teaching and while checking in with students, instant response visibility helps teachers adjust instruction and utilize those data analytics to support the individual learning needs of their students. When opening Pear Assessment from the portal and clicking New Assignment in the upper right-hand corner, teachers have two options: a pre-built assessment that are made public from the GCPS employee portal. Teachers click on Pear Assessment, and they will see this menu with assessments in the background. To see this Create Assignment menu, they need to click New Assignment, the blue button in the upper right-hand corner. Two options then show up, the first being a pre-built public assessment that have questions made by other people and that are in the Pear Assessment library, or to create one's own test. After clicking on Create Own Test, these are the options that are shown: from scratch, again from using the question library, or a smart build, or a snap quiz from a PDF that already exists. For example, if I want to create a Pear Assessment for a formative evaluation to assess my students' understanding of the sun, moon, and earth, and I already have a PDF version of that, I can use a snap quiz. Or if I want to do a quick 5 to 10 question check-in, and I know I want to build it from scratch, I can click From Scratch. If I want to access those public test questions, I can click on Item Bank on the far left and type in, for example, sun, moon, earth, and questions that basically match that general criteria will come up, and then I can pick and choose. From here into my new assessment, I can add plus, to add it to the current assessment that I'm building, or I can again manually add my own items. To create a new assessment with that item as shown here, and I can select as many as I want to combine them into a new assessment. Formatively, during the lesson, I can then have on another screen Pear Assessment open and see exactly how my students are doing as they're answering the questions during the lesson. After that lesson, or after a series of lessons, if I click on Insights, I can then compare all of that information and see students' progress as well as what needs to be retaught.